Are you feeling like every other video, article, or tweet you see these days is about generative AI? You're not wrong. It's the tech world's current obsession. But instead of just nodding along, wondering what it all means, what if we could actually master it? In this video, we are cutting through the hype, giving you a practical step you need to truly understand. I will be breaking down the entire journey into manageable phases, from fundamental knowledge to building your own Gen AI projects. Before we begin, let me tell you what generative AI or Gen AI means. As the name suggests, it is generating data. It's a technology where it uses existing data for creating new ones. It might be in the form of text, images, audio, video, code, or even 3D models. For better understanding, I will be dividing the entire roadmap into 4 phases, plus one additional phase as a bonus phase for you to excel in this field. Phase 1 is all about laying the foundation, which includes the basics of AI and machine learning. Think of artificial intelligence as making computers smart enough to do things which people can do. Machine learning is just one of the ways to do it, allowing computers to learn from example instead of being told exactly what to do. It's a learning by seeing and doing it, not just by a rule book. There are 3 main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is where the computers learn with correct answers, whereas unsupervised learning involves finding patterns on its own, and reinforcement learning is about learning through rewards. You will need Python too. Key tools include NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas for organizing data, and Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization. These help you to work with and understand data. You need to understand data preparation, which involves cleaning and organizing data. Also, learn about the feature engineering, which is the process of selecting important parts of the data of the model. Gen AI uses deep learning. You can think of deep learning as a computer network with many layers. Understand the basic idea of how these networks learn from data. This is the key for understanding more complex Gen AI models. Moving on to phase 2, where you can start exploring the Gen AI models. Some of Gen AI models includes GANs, which are 2 networks competing, one making fake data and other tries to spot it. This model works well for creating realistic outputs. The second model is VAEs. This model learns a hidden representation of data to create new or similar data. The next model is transformers, which are excellent at understanding context in sequence like text, audio, and even images using attention. The last model is diffusion model, which can create high quality data by reversing a noising process. This model is very popular for images. Apart from Gen AI models, you need to cover text generation model, which falls under natural language processing, which is NLP. These models power text creation, from writing articles to translating languages. And lastly, you will cover image generation using GANs and diffusion models. In phase 3, we will focus on developing our practical skills. You can start with small projects such as generating basic images or text with small datasets. Do experiment and learn the workflow. Join platforms like Hugging Face, Reddit, Stack Overflow, and Kaggle forums to ask questions and learn from others. To showcase your work, you can use GitHub to share your projects and code. Phase 4 is truly about staying ahead. Gen AI is always changing, so you need to be aware of it. New architectures are constantly being built, so briefly be aware that more advanced models are continuously being developed beyond the basics that we have covered. I would also recommend learning about deploying models on cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, which will be useful for larger projects. Additionally, you can read research papers, follow tech experts online, whether on Twitter or LinkedIn, and stay curious about this field. Continuous learning is the key in this field. Now that you have built a strong foundation in generative AI, phase 5 is all about mastering the future of technology. A certification course provides formal validation of specialized knowledge and skills, making individuals stand out to employees and demonstrating a commitment to professional development. This recognition often leads to enhanced credibility that improves. Catch your roadmap to understanding generative AI. Start with the basics and get practical experience, and never stop learning. The power of Gen AI is within your reach. Now go, explore, and create.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To